In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel a transfer in Wise. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video. For whatever reason, if you're trying to cancel a transfer, you can easily do it from the tasks section. Only those transfers can be cancelled which are pending. If a transfer is made and is completed, those transfers cannot be cancelled. So if you see a section called tasks right here, you can just tap on the review button that is showing. Inside of it on the bottom, you'll see an option called cancel transfer. As I said earlier, not all transfers can be cancelled. Only those which need your review or which are pending can be cancelled. So just tap on the cancel button right here and your transaction or this transfer will be immediately cancelled out. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.